Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. We are entering Xetulul Amusement Park in Guatemala today. Here we came on a Saturday in July. It was not too busy. The first lot was pretty empty. We did get here around, I think, 11 in the morning, so there wasn't too many people quite in here yet. They put us in first come, first serve kind of parking all the way towards the front. So the earlier you get there, the closer you will be in the covered parking. The entrance of the park was really beautiful. You walked over this bridge. It had like a river going underneath of it. It was really beautiful. This is the entrance of the park.
141 down for 141.
Gotta measure your head. Yeah, free.
Dos adultos, un adulto mayor.
What is it? So pretty. Okay.
One thing to note about the ticketing and pricing of this park is you do have the option to combine it with one of the other parks if you wanted to go to Xocomil or Xejuyup. We only went to Xetulul on this visit, but if you do combine the admissions, you can get a discount on their parks. They also had lockers for rent once you walked in, along with wheelchairs and strollers. I don't remember the exact price on what we paid for the double stroller, but we did get a few quetzales back whenever we returned it. It was a huge help for us with the kids because we did not bring a stroller to Guatemala at all. So having that double stroller was really, really nice walking around the amusement park with two kids.
When you bring it back? Oh.
Once you pass that first square on the right, you'll notice a bunch of concessions. There's a churro place, a chuco place, which is a Guatemalan hot dog, and there were also crepes, which we got after lunch, the churro and the crepes, and they were absolutely delicious.
And crepes. What's a chuco? Like a hot dog? Oh yeah. I've never seen it spelled like that.
The park is really cool. It's set up into different parts of the world. So we're kind of in the Europe part. Here, once you pass the splash pad, my kids loved watching this ride, which you'll see a little bit later on in the video, but it was really cool. I believe that's like part of Italy, and then it goes into Rome and Spain. And this is part of the Spain portion in Madrid, and it's just beautiful, just all the flowers and everything. You really feel like you're submersed into another part of the world.
So cool.
Concessions scattered all over the park, but really only 2 to 3 restaurants that were scattered in each part of the park: the Europe portion, the Italy version, and the Spain version.
But that's so much fun. I see it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this looks like it's a kids restaurant. And this is the menu. Looks like they have a bunch of ice cream. I think they have other food too. Hot dogs, hamburgers. Whole restaurant for kids. And that kids restaurant is on the other side, on the back side of this, or to the left when you walk into the park. They have a bunch of smaller kids toys, or smaller kids rides too. Well, it started raining, so we went to this seafood restaurant, and they had a burger for kids, and we got the shrimp with spaghetti, right?
Wow. ¿Qué va a comer la abuela? Tuna. Kamen? Burger and fries and kibach. Mommy got spaghetti. Daddy got ceviche. All right, everybody, eat up.
This is where we went to eat for lunch, which is right on the other side of here. If I could turn the camera around, there we go. You come in and you go to the right, this restaurant will be right there. Really good. So, a Guatemalan Cafe Guatemala here. Not sure what kind of food they have, but yeah. Huh? Oh yeah. It is spinning. Whoa, it's more, these are like smaller kids' rides, I think. Look at the train! Do you have to pay for the train? Coming back!
So you do have to purchase a punch card at the ticket booth for the rides. It is not included in admission, and they do punch the holes based on how many people that you have going on the ride. You get quite a lot of rides per punch card, so it is really fun, and we didn't even use the whole punch card.
Oh yeah, we were just by the boat. Yeah, I guess we did do the whole park.
We ate here.
Where?
We ate right here.
Oh yeah.
Next to the little plaza. I want to go back to get some churros right here.
Yeah, I want a crepe.
Ooh, I love grapes.
Your first ride? Yeah. So a lot of sweets and a lot of dessert places here. A lot of places have ice cream and desserts, all kinds.